Our top story, as the country absorbs the historic Ayodhya verdict, the Congress and the BJP have called for reconciliation. Speaking to NDTV's group editor Barkha Dutt, senior Congress leader Digvijaya Singh said bringing the two groups together is really the need of the hour, while the BJP's Ravi Shankar Prasad, who has also represented one of the parties in the Ayodhya case, said a mature response would be to let the Hindus build a temple at the Ram Janmabhoomi.
Digvijaya Singh, but when the BJP, for example, and we've got Prakash Javadekar with us, uses the judgment to say that now it must pave the way for a grand mandir, how should we read that? One way of looking at it is, so be it. Mandir, masjid, dono wahi banaiye, and that is what this country wants and needs, and it wants to move on. Another way of looking at it, as several of our panelists have said, is that it is injustice for what happened on the 6th of December 1992.
If the temple is to be constructed, then a mosque has to be constructed also. But what I feel is, let us not create a situation which may escalate and whip up communal passions. What is more important is for this country to bring about the two factions together, and I think the Congress party and the UPA government would be very happy to bring about some kind of a reconciliation, which is the need of the hour, and this is the public mood of this country.
One last question to you, Digvijay Singh. This case is going to the Supreme Court, as Owaisi Saab just said. There it could sit there for decades. Do you believe that we should allow the legal process to complete itself, or do you believe that your party, your government maybe, could show a political initiative and bring together all of the groups for a negotiated settlement at this point, which takes a cue from this judgment and builds both a temple and a mosque at this site?
Well, the legal process cannot be stopped. It is the right of the contesting parties to go into appeal, either of them. But that doesn't stop us and for all other parties and all other contesting parties to initiate the proceedings of reconciliation.